Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GoPro Hero 12 updates in Quik app pairing easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable GoPro Hero 12 updates, start by turning on your camera. Press the mode button to access the main menu. Swipe down on the touchscreen to open the Preferences tab. Select About this camera from the list. Take note of the current camera version displayed. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Now, open the GoPro Quik app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, download the Quik app from your app store. Log in or create a GoPro account if prompted. Tap on the camera icon at the top of the screen to add your Hero 12. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the camera with your smartphone. Turn on Bluetooth and ensure your smartphone is discoverable. Once paired, your Hero 12 will automatically check for available updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Ensure your camera remains powered on throughout the update process. After the update is complete, confirm the new version under About this camera. To connect the Quik app for easy access to your media, make sure the camera is connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Quik app and navigate to the Media tab. Here, you can view and edit your captured content effortlessly. Your GoPro Hero 12 is now updated and paired with the Quik app for a seamless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.